Ereena Cafe. I am 3 years old. My father's name is Asad Cafe. My mother's name is Ashifa Nihat. I love my parents. Mwah! My school name is Bloomfield International School. I study in class nursery. I love eating food like chocolate, cake, and ice cream. I love watching cartoons like Masha and the Bear and Augie and the Cockroach, Dora. I have a pet fish. Its name is Goldeni. I know some rhymes like Johnny, Johnny. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lying, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Mommy and Daddy, I love you. Come to me when I call you. Give me a kiss when I ask you. Mommy and Daddy, I love you. Watching my video. Bye, thank you. I love you. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी तो इसे लाइक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिएगा। बाय।